The silent money trap draining your bank account every day. Most people think they're bad with money because they don't make enough, but the truth is, there's a silent habit draining your bank account every single day, and you don't even notice it happening. This habit doesn't feel dangerous, it doesn't feel irresponsible. In fact, it feels normal. But it's the reason your paycheck disappears faster than you expect and why saving money feels impossible even when you're trying. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what this habit is, why it happens, and how to break it before it breaks your finances. This isn't financial advice, just practical insights you can apply based on your situation. Point 1. Micro-justifications. The silent money trap is something called micro-justification. It's when you tell yourself tiny stories that make unnecessary spending feel reasonable. It sounds like, "It's only $5. I had a long day, I deserve this. It's just one time. It's not that serious." Individually, these moments feel harmless, but stacked together, they quietly drain hundreds of dollars a month. Point 2. The psychology behind it. Micro-justification happens because your brain is wired to avoid discomfort. When you're stressed, tired, or overwhelmed, your mind looks for the fastest way to feel better, and spending money gives you a quick dopamine hit. Your brain isn't thinking about your budget, it's thinking about relief. So you make small emotional purchases that feel tiny in the moment, but add up to big financial consequences over time. If you're finding these tips helpful for building your future, please hit subscribe to join our channel and never miss a piece of the blueprint. Now let's get back into it. Point 3. The real cost. Here's the part most people never calculate. It's not the $5 you spent today, it's the pattern. $5 a day is $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year. And that's just one habit. Most people have 3 or 4 of these micro leaks happening at the same time. That's why your money disappears even when you feel like you're being responsible. Point 4. How to break the habit. You don't need to cut everything out. You just need to interrupt the automatic behavior. Here's the simplest way to do it. Before you buy something, ask yourself one question. Is this a want or a moment? A want is something you've thought about. A moment is something you're reacting to. If it's a moment, wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. If you don't, you just saved money without feeling deprived. Breaking this habit won't make you rich overnight, but it will give you something more important: control. Because once you stop losing money to the moments you don't notice, you finally have the power to build the life you actually want. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips.